Hello viewers, welcome back to my kitchen, Friday friendly kitchen. And today's recipe is another side dish or a sauce or chutney we call it, green coconut chutney. This is my way of doing it, and there is no onions or garlic involved in it. So for those who are vegetarian who do not take onions and garlic, it's a perfect suitable thing that you could use it. So let's get started with the ingredients. Mainly we need coconut, some salt, some sugar, which we'll be using it later, and I have some yogurt here. It's a store-bought pre-made yogurt, some lemon juice. I'll say how much. For a cup of coconut, I'll be using about quarter cup of lemon juice. But if you like it more sour, you can increase it. If you like it less sour, you can reduce it. And I have some ginger over here, as you can see, and I have some green chili. I have two, but I'm going to use only one. And if you are not spice tolerable, you may remove the seeds before you grind them. And this is called chutney chana dal, which is also called Bengal grams, and we use it for chutneys. And I have some milk over here, and freshly from the farm or from the garden, the green coriander or cilantro. Dear viewers, I'm going to start off by grinding it, and so I'm going to add the ginger, and I'm going to add the chana dal. And chana dal, approximately about quarter cup for a cup of coconut, and I'm using according to your own measurements. And I'm going to use a whole green chili, so because this will not be too spicy for me, but if it's too spicy for you, please remove the skin. And I am going to add the coconut, and I'm going to add the lemon juice, and I'm going to add some water, and I'm going to fetch some water. I'll be back. I'm adding some little bit of water, and I'm going to grind through this. At this point, I'm going to add half a bunch of coriander, green cilantro, and also some yogurt. I'm using about half a cup of yogurt for this. If it's 1 cup of coconut, you use 1 cup of yogurt, please. Our chutney is almost ready, and now I'm going to transfer them into a bowl, and then I'm going to adjust the sugar and salt, and then I'll come back to you. So viewers, now I'm going to add the salt. It's according to your taste as well. And I'm going to whip it. Just give me a second. I'm going to mix the salt first to the chutney, and also some sugar, approximately about 2 to 3 teaspoons. If you like it sweeter, you can add more. If you don't like to be too sweet, you can reduce it. So it's kind of green coconut chutney. It's a sweet sour chutney and spicy, a little spicy but not very spicy. So it depends on the green chili. So you can remove the seeds before you grind them, or you can grind them with it. So enjoy it. And this is our chutney, green coconut chutney, which is ready to be served with idlis and dosas and so on. And for those who wish to learn how to make idlis, we will link you a video over it. Thank you, and happy trying.